So here's what we're watching with Hilary. It's going to be tracking towards Baja California. It does look to lose a little bit more of that steam and not be a major hurricane getting closer to Baja as it is running into some cooler waters, especially by tomorrow. The main concern for us is going to be a lot of rain. We're going to get a lot more rain before we even get that system moving closer towards us when we're talking about tropical storm force impacts, and those are mainly going to be the winds. We're expecting that to pick up with the strongest winds, those tropical storm force winds, about Sunday afternoon to Monday morning. So we're just waiting at this point and just anticipation. Of course, there's also some preparation that comes with that, especially when you're talking about a lot of heavy rainfall, and especially for areas that could see upwards of record rainfall, because a lot's going to happen within a short period of time. The latest when it comes to Hilary, it is still a major hurricane, a Category 4. There is Cabo San Lucas, and you're seeing it well towards the south of it, so well towards the southwest of it. Hilary will continue to maintain major category strength before it starts to interact with some cooler waters on its track towards the north. So it's moving towards the northwest at about 12 miles per hour. It is maintaining some wind speeds up to about 130 miles per hour when it comes to maximum sustained wind speeds. Hilary will continue to be a major hurricane at least for the next 24 hours and then start to break apart a little bit more into the cooler waters. As it gets closer towards Baja, it's expected to weaken even more, and so being potentially just towards the west of Baja California as a Category 1 hurricane with the latest forecast cone. That is subject to change, and that would be on about Sunday morning. We're also talking about the impacts for us here in Southern California. This is something that you're going to be hearing a lot of because it's the first time that it's ever happened. A tropical storm watch has been issued for all of Southern California with the brunt of that moisture expected across San Diego County. So tropical storm impacts are what we're mainly anticipating. It's going to make its way towards the north, closing in on us right along the border, potentially as even a Category 1 hurricane, but weakening, and then our impacts look to be tropical storm related. So it does make that movement towards us on Sunday. Conditions start to deteriorate a little bit more. That would be about Sunday afternoon all the way through Monday morning, especially with those stronger wind speeds, and then looks to rain itself out right over Nevada, and that would be by about Monday morning. So kind of quickly making its way up there, and then talking about being post-tropical as it continues to interact with land. As mentioned, tropical storm watch has been issued across Southern California. Also for the outer waters, that's not going to change. This will continue all the way until 2 p.m. on Monday afternoon. Once we get past that, the models are in pretty good agreement that everything will start to dry out in our forecast.